Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM Certified 2017 Buick Envision Premium Group All-Wheel Drive, stock number Z8460XX. Only 2,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Ebony Twilight Metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Envision is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior, rear heat and air controls. Outboard rear seats are also heated. Split seat back reclines as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional underfloor storage. And of course, very clean with only 2,000 miles. No dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power liftgate control, upgraded Bose sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, and start, large, easy to read gauges, with driver information system. This Envision has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, just set by buttons on the steering wheel, which is also heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. Rear climate. And that is, of course, with the backup camera display. Dual zone front climate control along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box with all overhead. Homelink transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this Envision has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 252 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway. And again, only 2,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.